Well, Mr. President has spent 2 years on the throne, and as Oni of Ife is at home now to spend Sallah break. I'm here to greet him for Sallah break and also to appreciate all the great things he's doing for their country. And also I went to a country called Kazakhstan, and I came to give him feedback because the good things he's doing is opening up Nigeria to so many nations that are not interested to do things with our country. But by virtue of what he has done as our president, it is opening up a lot of developed nations to come to Nigeria. In history, there is no arbitrage again. You bring dollars to Nigeria to do business, you take it out. No dual exchange between the central bank and the parallel market. The world is watching us as a nation, and we don't need to leave everything to the government. We traditional rulers should lead by example, work in tangent with them, and give hope to our youth. So here, it's another testimony of hope to our Nigerian youth. So many industries are coming to Nigeria. They will open up because it's the largest economy in Central Asia. It's a country between Russia and China. They're very similar to us in terms of their natural resources. They have oil and gas and very large land for farming, to train and work with us in terms of mechanized farming in Nigeria. I saw everything when I went to the country. So I need to come and debrief Mr. President because they are expecting him to come also to Kazakhstan. So for us, it's a renewed hope, and it is for real. Not that we're just reading about it in the papers or hearing about it in the news. We have a very bold president, a president that is committed to a better Nigeria. So I'm very proud of him as a leader in Yoruba land. Our president, he has made us proud thus far. So the hope is actually real and it is renewed.
Your Imperial Majesty, it's good to know that you have hope in this administration, but as we know, we still have some challenges in some areas. What improvement do you expect from this administration in the next 2 years?
The challenges we have, so far so good. The current administration is addressing it, which is the area of security. We're very happy with the forest guard structure and another platform to bring in more police force for the forest guard to continue to comb the entire forest, both in the north and in the south. So once security can be addressed, there is a good platform for investment to flow to Nigeria now. One area that Mr. President is addressing now, and I discussed with him too, is area of security. So he's on top. Let's keep praying for him. Let's keep praying for him and all our leaders. It's about time for all of us in Nigeria to come together and look at Nigeria as cup half full, other than cup half empty.